There were things that my regular dentist could not do. I was beyond regular dentistry. I mean, I've had the root canals, I've had the caps, and I've had dental problems my whole life. And it just progressed over the years. There's more and more things happening. I had the all-in-4 procedure done, which is a titanium metal bar that's holding a denture in place, in addition to screws going into my upper jaw. The main thing that I got from that was it's going to be a longer procedure than anything I'd ever had done before. It's going to be done in stages, and the final stage was a long ways away as far as I was concerned. I was absolutely certain that this is what I needed. Only other option was dentures. She did everything she could to relieve me of some anxiety I had. You just stand with a device going around your head, and it takes a total x-ray of your jaw. In my case, it's upper and lower. And I could see that I had gum problems with my bone, and that there are certain areas where it was best for the pins to go in. So as Dr. Mathur explained to me just where the pins would go in my upper jaw to hold this denture in place. And she was very comprehensive. She told me everything that I needed to know before the procedure. She is absolutely amazing, easy to get along with, and I feel like she's extremely considerate of all of my concerns all the time.